And time now for another edition of House Calls with Bauer Specialty. David Hoisington and Kate Lingenfelter are joining us today. All right, David, let me start with you. Let's talk a little bit about what homeowners should know when it comes to roof replacements.
Yeah, absolutely. The most important thing to know in the Erie area is you got to be thinking of wintertime. We have extreme season changes here, hot summers, terrible winters. I don't want to depress people about making them think about winter in the summertime, but you can't just slap a roof on in our area. So you got to know the proper insulation, ventilation, and what type of roofing system you really need for Erie, PA.
Dave, what kind of questions are you getting from your customers right now about?
Yeah, hey, how do I solve those ice dam leaks that we had?
Yeah.
You know, and that's where I keep saying you can't just throw a new roof on. We have to fix the root problem of that, whether if it's insulation, ventilation, or yeah, you just had a lousy roof and we need to come replace that.
Kate, what is it that Bauer Specialty offers for customers here in the area?
We offer free estimates. Can give us a call, 814-898-8517. And our sales reps are able to come out and really evaluate your situation and make sure that your roof is in the best condition. And if not, we're able to replace it, repair it, whatever your needs are.
And if you guys want to get in touch with you guys, you can always call us. Kate said 814-898-8517. It's in there. All right. Thank you, guys. We appreciate it. More Erie News Now at 7 coming up after this.